Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox randomly freezing. First, let's ensure your internet connection is stable. A strong, consistent signal is crucial. Next, try a simple restart of both your computer and your router. This often resolves many temporary software conflicts. Also, quickly check that your device meets Roblox's minimum system requirements. Finally, close any background applications consuming valuable system resources, giving Roblox more power to run smoothly. Now, let's optimize your graphics. Inside Roblox, navigate to the in-game settings and lower the graphics quality. Try setting it to automatic or manually reducing the bars to 3 or 4. Playing in windowed mode instead of full screen can also help. Crucially, ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit your card manufacturer's website for the latest versions. Lastly, set your computer's power plan to high performance for optimal processing power. Next, let's perform some system and software checks. Start by clearing Roblox's temporary files and cache. You can usually find these in your app data folder. It's also wise to run a full scan with your antivirus software to rule out any malware interference. Make sure your operating system is completely up to date with the latest patches. Finally, always check for and install any pending Roblox updates, as these often include crucial bug fixes. If the problem persists, we'll move to advanced troubleshooting. A complete uninstall and then reinstall of Roblox can often resolve deep-seated issues, ensuring a fresh start. You might also temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus to see if they are inadvertently blocking Roblox. If all else fails, gather detailed information about your issue and contact Roblox support directly. They can offer personalized assistance. Finally, monitor your computer's CPU and RAM usage during gameplay to pinpoint any performance bottlenecks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.